Hi everyone, in today's video I am going to discuss about writing a C program for swapping the values of two variables without using the third variable. In my last video I have made the discussion on swapping the values of two variables using a third variable. If you guys have not seen that video, then I just recommend you guys to watch that video as well. So before coming to today's topic, I just want to tell you guys that if you guys like this video, click on like button, share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and if you guys have any questions, then let me know in the comment section. Now let us start our discussion. So if you want to swap the values of two variables without using a third variable, then there is a technique which you need to follow. So that I will discuss in this video. So when this program gets executed, the program is going to ask you two numbers output. Okay. Then user will enter 10 and 20. The first number I will store inside A and the second number I will store inside B. Now 10 gets stored inside A and 20 gets stored inside B. Now I want A to store 20 and B to store 10. That is, I want to swap the values of these two variables. So to swap the values of these two variables without using a third variable, first what I will do is, first I will add these two numbers, 10 plus 20, which equals to 30. Now I have got 30 and I will pass this value 30 to variable A. Now the new value which gets stored inside A is 30. Then what I will do is, I will perform 30, which is the new value of A, 30 minus B value, which is 20, and I have got 10, and I will pass this new value 10 to B. Now the new value of B is 10. Then 30 minus the new value of B, which is 10, and now it becomes 20, and this value I will pass to A. Okay, now you can see value which gets stored inside B is now 10, which was earlierly 20, and the value gets stored inside A is 20, and earlierly it was 10. Now I have successfully managed to swap the values of both of these variables A and B. Okay, so this is the logic which we need to use while writing the C program. So now let us start writing the C program for this example. First I will include header files as include stdio.h and then hash include conio.h. Then I will start a main function followed by clear screen. Now I need to declare two variables of type integer, int a comma b. Then I will ask user to enter two numbers, printf enter first number, and then I will read that value from the keyboard, %d ampersand a. Similarly, I will ask the user to enter the second number, printf enter second number, and then I will read the second number from the keyboard, ampersand b. Now first I will display the original values before swapping, printf before swap, printf %d a comma b. Directly I will print. Then printf after swap. Now I need to perform this task. A equals to, so value of A plus value of B, which is A plus B. Next, B equals to A minus B. Then again A equals to A minus B. Now I have got new values in A and new value in B. So I will print those values. Print F %d comma A, printf %d comma B, and then at the end return 0 and then curly bracket close. Okay. So this is how you can write a C program for swapping the values of two variables without using the third variable. So I hope you guys have understood everything regarding this C program. So that's all for this video, guys. If you guys like this video, click on like button, share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, and if you guys have any questions, then let me know in the comment section. And thanks for watching.